far as the changes that have occurred with how the work comp agency now treats shoulders that are injured in accidents, there is a big difference in how they are actually being treated. The commissioner has decided that since the legislature, when it passed the new law on how to treat shoulders in work comp cases, didn't define what a shoulder was, the commissioner has now taken it upon himself to say what the anatomy of a shoulder is, and he takes it on a case-by-case basis. And so far the cases that have come out have been pretty expansive on what muscles, ligaments, and tendons include the shoulder joint. The hope on the claimant side was that we would limit that area, the anatomy of a shoulder, to just the space between the top of the humerus and the glenom, which is the area where the humerus fits into the ball and socket joint. But as things have progressed, it appears as though the joint is going to be defined much more broadly by the commissioner, unless, that is, his decisions so far are reversed by the Iowa Supreme Court. On the issue of the practical effects of the change on going back to work, making as much or more money, even though you have a severe disability that would have otherwise, before the law changed, created a chance at a really good settlement. The practical impact of going back making the same or more money at this point has been less severe than we, as claimants attorneys, originally anticipated. The commissioner has now limited the situation to where you're back with the same employer, meaning that if you get hurt and you're struggling when you come back to work, and your back hurts pretty bad, but they're offering you work and you for some reason are fired, or you take a better job that's less physically demanding, you're making the same or more money, but you can still have your case treated industrially, meaning look at your lost earning capacity, because you're not at the same employer making as much or more, you're at a different employer. So that's been a good development from the commissioner's office on how that new code section is being interpreted.